In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Chrome bookmarks bar. If you're looking to tidy up your browser and get a little more screen space, hiding the bookmarks bar is a quick and reversible change, and it won't delete any of your saved bookmarks. Start by opening Google Chrome. Look to the top right corner of the window for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More or Menu button. Click that to open Chrome's main menu. From here, choose Settings. This will open a new tab with all of Chrome's configuration options, so you can make changes without leaving your current browsing session. On the Settings page, find the sidebar on the left and select Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks and feels, including themes, font sizes, and toolbars. In the Appearance panel, look for the option labeled Show Bookmarks Bar. You'll see a switch next to it. Go ahead and turn that switch off. The change is immediate. The bookmarks bar will disappear from your browser, giving you a cleaner, more minimal workspace. If you still see the bar on the current page, try opening a new tab or briefly switching to another tab and back. The setting will carry across all tabs once it refreshes. A quick note on what this does and doesn't do. Turning off Show Bookmarks Bar only hides the bar. It does not remove any bookmarks. All your bookmarks remain safely stored in Chrome. You can still access them anytime by opening the menu, choosing Bookmarks, and then selecting Bookmark Manager, or by using the side panel if you prefer that layout. So you're gaining space without losing anything important. If you ever want the bar back, return to the same Appearance section and toggle Show Bookmarks Bar back on. You can also use a handy shortcut to show or hide it on the fly. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl plus Shift plus B. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus B. That shortcut is especially useful if you toggle the bar depending on what you're working on. If the option seems missing, double check that you're in the Appearance section of Settings, not another category. And if you use a custom theme or certain extensions, the switch still controls the bookmarks bar globally, so your preference will be respected across your profile. That's all there is to it. A quick menu click, a simple setting, and you've cleared visual clutter without sacrificing access to your bookmarks. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner Chrome.